Hello students, welcome to the class on marketing management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am assistant professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. Here in this session, the students will learn about the concept and definition of marketing. It is very important for students to understand this particular aspect of concept and definition because as you go about, we'll use the term marketing. So in that case, the students must be aware about what marketing is all about. So therefore, in the introductory part of this session, I shall be discussing with you all about this very question. What is marketing? Is marketing the delivery of customer satisfaction at a profit, or is it something else? So different people have different opinions about the term marketing. Some people say it is selling, some people may say it is advertising, some people may say that as it is already here that we sell the goods to customer satisfaction and the company earns a profit for it. So these are different concepts that people has in their minds. So as we progress through this particular subject on marketing management, you will be able to understand and have a clear point of view about what marketing is all about and what does it do actually. Just a brief introduction about this marketing subject. Marketing is the act of facilitating the exchange of a given commodity for goods, services, or money to deliver maximum value to the customer. From a societal point of view, marketing is the link between a society's material requirements and its economic patterns of response. It satisfies these needs and wants through both exchange process and build long-term relationships. Marketing can be viewed as an organizational function and as a set of processes for creating, delivering, communicating value to customers and managing customer relationships in ways that benefit the organization and its shareholders. It is a science of choosing target markets through market analysis and market segmentation, as well as understanding consumer buying behavior and providing superior customer value. Also, it can be summed as the set of engagements necessary for successful marketing management, including capturing marketing insights, connecting with customers, building strong brands, shaping the market offerings, delivering the communicating value, creating long-term growth, and developing marketing strategies and plans. So overall, in this introductory part about marketing, it is seen that marketing is an act of facilitating an exchange for a commodity. Right? It also enhances building a long-term relationship. There has to be two separate parties through which a relationship can be built, and it can be viewed as an organizational process, right, for creating, delivering, and communicating value to customers. So marketing is also an organizational function and a process where the organization creates, delivers, and communicates something that has value for the customers. And also we see that marketing management includes several things like insights, connecting with customers, building strong brands, shaping market offerings. So all these aspects provides us with a clear view that marketing is a big subject which includes every aspect from the making awareness about the product up to providing value to the customers. So in my upcoming presentations, I will be explaining in detail about this particular aspect called marketing management. Thank you very much.